So in short, when you are talking, maintain eye contact, smile, and your whole body should be towards the person you are talking to. Simple. If you are talking to 100 people standing on a stage, see everybody in the hall. You just have to maintain your good body language and a smile on face. Simple. If you do this, आपको अलग अलग कुछ भी नहीं करना है. हर एक ओकेजन के लिए you will be ready. It could be one-to-one talk. It could be talk in front of 100 or 1,000. Clear? Right? Okay. Now, introducing yourself to an individual. Individual का मतलब होता है one person. Start with certain things. See, these are the ideas. These ideas I'm giving you now, but sample I already showed you. है ना? जो मैंने sample दिखाया, उस sample को इनके साथ में mix करके you need to speak about yourself. Example, how to start. Hello. You can also say, hi, my name is Khushbu. What's your name? Hi, my name is Pooja. Hey, Pooja, nice meeting you. Or you can also say, hey, Pooja, pleasure to meet you. Then, if you feel that you can give your handshake, you can say, hi, namaste, something, you can do it. Okay? You can even touch the feet also, it's your choice. Or you can also, in foreign countries, friends meet or when people meet, they kiss. Kiss, you know, na, casual kiss. Right? So, whatever is suitable to us, we can do. Right? Ask questions like, what's your education? What's your occupation? Occupation means your job. Hey, what's your hometown? Where are you from? What things are you interested? Or what are your hobbies? You can ask. Right? Then, when you ask hobbies, we generally get very common hobbies. Or uncommon. Acha, you like eating momos? Yeah, I don't like momos, but I like dosa. That is my favorite. Depending on your liking, you can do that. No problem. Okay? Understood? Don't judge, talk about yourself all the time. Don't just talk about yourself. Means don't say that I'm this, I belong to this area, my area is famous. You should ask a question also to somebody so that it will look like a two-way communication. One-way communication is only good when a teacher is teaching you or a preacher is preaching you. If you are not a teacher or a preacher, nobody will listen. So be very audience friend. Nowadays, audience also don't listen, you know. Audience also want some activity. Activity like, acha, you stand up, you say. Okay, now you share your opinion. I want to ask a question. How is the show going on? Do you like my show? I mean, the host also tries to involve the audience nowadays. Be audience friendly, right? If you just keep talking about yourself, you look selfish and people find it uninteresting. So true, right? Next, close the conversation by saying it was really nice to talk to you. It was great meeting you. Right? Have a nice day. See you again. Say some good words. Right? If you're meeting a stranger and suppose there is a waiting room, you are waiting and you meet somebody and you talk also with that person about that. Everything introductory only. कुछ और तो बात बाद में करते, पहले इंट्रोडक्शन से ही शुरू करते हैं. उसके बाद जा रहे हैं तो कुछ लोगों को मैंने देखा है बैग उठाते हो निकल देते जैसे जानते ही नहीं है. और just before some time they were talking to me, right? But I don't do it. What I do, Okay, thank you. Nice meeting you. It's really nice talking to you. जरूरी नहीं you should exchange the number. No, if it is not, uh, if you don't like, don't say a number. Don't exchange the number. लेकिन at least bye तो बोल सकते हैं ना अच्छे से. Correct? Okay, bye. Nice talking to you. Thank you. It was a good time, right? कुछ तो अच्छा बोलो उसको भाई. उसको अच्छी फीलिंग आएगी. वो भी सीख जाएगा अगले बार किसी और से जाके बोलेगा. यू कैन स्पीक इट इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. चलिए चलती हूँ मैं. बाय बाय. टेक केयर. राइट. बट बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज what the thing which you need to prepare, so I'm telling you all this, right? So these 4 5 things you need to follow about your introduction. Then if you are introducing yourself, suppose there is a meeting, there is a conference where everybody has to introduce first and then they will start the meeting or conference, because you belong to different branches, you belong to different cities, working for the same company from different cities. Now you got together, you have a meet call some annual meet or something, है ना? कभी कभी हम जैसे मान लीजिए दीप्ति हैं या रितु मैम है, बच्चे के पेरेंट्स टीचर मीट में जाते हैं, वहां पर लोगों से बात करनी ही पड़ती है. very common thing, correct? If Pooja goes for any interview or any sort of things like husbands parties or something, get together, then it's very common to introduce, right? Audience का मतलब है लोग जो खड़े हैं सामने, कोई भी हो सकता है, right? So how to do that? Greet with a smile and a periodic eye contact. Periodic, you understand, na? Go zigzag, first row, second row, third row. If you are standing in the middle and people are surrounded, they're standing, just surrounded, you are surrounded by them actually, then you can actually stand at one place, the whole people is there, then you should see everybody in the circular motion, depending on the periodic table, how you see, right? Share some relevant information about you. Don't share everything now. Oh, my papa says I am that kind of person, and my mother likes this in me, and my friends call me beautiful. I am so beautiful. Of course you are. But tell something which is of everyone's interest rather than your interest, right? Share your experience with them. Best part. Share your, ideas, what you think about this business, what you think about the place you are working. And if you are new in city, you can share the information about that city. I like the city, yeah, very nice city. Because the people feel good now. Oh, you like their city. Something of this kind. अपने बारे में नहीं बात करना है हमेशा. Right? Correct? I am very confident person. And I'm also very difficult, I'm very choosy about the things. Oh, please. Everybody knows you are choosy. No need to exaggerate it. So ultimately, should I tell you in one word, don't be self-obsessed. I have to say about me, no. आपको ही इंट्रोड्यूस करना है खुद को ना, ठीक है, पर कुछ अच्छा बोलो, सबको अच्छा लगे. Okay? Speak loud enough. If there is a mic, then please don't shout. Mic will do everything, but there is no mic, then you can not shout, but you can be little loud. Voice can be heard. But should I tell you something? अगर चिल्लाने से आपकी आवाज की टोन खराब हो रही हो, then don't shout, don't scream. Quality is important. Okay? और सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने का, डू नॉट स्पीक फ्रॉम योर माउथ, स्पीक फ्रॉम योर थ्रोट. Okay? Take proper breath and then speak the word. Speak from you. This part. अच्छा, तो मुंह से तो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं हमें, क्या हमारे तो मुंह तो कुछ भी बोल देगा. But the real words come from this air part to your mouth. Speak from that. तो जब आवाज गले से निकलती है, यहाँ पे ना वेट होता है. बेस सुना है? बेस, म्यूजिक में बेस होता है ना? बेसिकली दिस वर्ड ऑफ बेस इज bass. bass कहते हैं उसको। उसको बेस भी नहीं बोलते हैं। बेबी को बेस पसंद है इज ओनली रॉन्ग। तो आप बोलेंगे सब तो बोलते हैं, हाँ, बिकॉज दैट इज कॉमन वे, क्योंकि इसकी स्पेलिंग वैसी होती है, लेकिन वो बैस, बैस बेसिकली होता है बैस, राइट? तो जो बैस होता है आवाज में, वो यहाँ से आता है। वो आवाज में वेट भी यहाँ से आता है, लाउडनेस भी यहाँ से आती है। नो नीड टू शाउट, राइट? डेवलप इट, यू विल डेवलप। अगर आपको एक अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना है तो कहाँ से बात करेंगे? ऑलवेज टॉक फ्रॉम योर थ्रोट, deep from your belly and come to your throat side. And give pause. थोड़ा सा स्लो बोलिए, सोचने का टाइम मिल जाता है, राइट? एंड यू साउंड गुड, यू साउंड वेरी इम्प्रेसिव। ठीक है, थोड़ा इतराने का भी टाइम मिल जाता है वर्ड्स के साथ में। यू कैन शो दैट वर्ड, इंग्लिश वर्ड एटीट्यूड, नॉट इन पर्सनालिटी बट इन वर्ड, राइट? नेचुरल, बट वो धीरे धीरे व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, इट विल कम टू यू। लाइक हम लोग कहते हैं ना, कॉन्फिडेंटली, लर्न टू से कॉन्फिडेंटली। क्या जरूरत है भारी एकदम बहुत जोर देकर प्रेशराइज करके वर्ड बोलने का? गो स्मूथ, कॉन्फिडेंटली। यहाँ से बोल रहे हैं ना, वो चल रहा है, इसको पता है, टीथ को पता है, टंग को पता है, योर लिप्स एंड योर पैलेट, upper part of your tongue knows how to make the word, but the air quality should come from here, right? Focus on that. Move around to show that you're confident. Yeah, that you should do, right? Move around means normal, not very much like you start walking from one place to other place. Don't do that. Be there only, less little bit movement. Don't be standing straight. If you stand straight, it looks like you are a statue. You have learned the introduction, now you are delivering. So avoid that, right? Next, introducing yourself at a professional event. Yes, now it is something when you are in a meeting. जो लोग मीटिंग में हैं, जो लोग पीटीएम में हैं, थोड़ा वैसा टाइम आ गया, सुन लीजिए ध्यान से। Speak who you are, who you work with, and what you do. Okay, your professional information. Hey, hi, this is Deepti. Yeah, I'm this person's mother. Okay, actually, I'm a housewife, but I teach my kids myself. I don't send them to tuition. ऐसा बात करो. Give a one-liner introduction with your name and the job and what kind of people you appreciate or you work with or something like that. So you should say, hi, this is Khushbu and I work for Paramount Institute and I'm here to promote my product, right? Or I'm here to promote this policy or this proposal, anything, कुछ भी। एक लाइन में खत्म हो जाता है। फिर लोग बाद में बात करते हैं, अब उनको क्या मतलब है आपकी हॉबीज क्या है? प्रोफेशनल पीपल डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट हॉबीज, right? Also ask about others and their jobs. Exchange business cards or numbers and say nice to meet you, thank you, when you deal with many people, right? This is for conferences. When you go to other cities and other companies, other branches, you can do that. Next is at an interview, prepare your introduction properly, practice your introduction properly, and then deliver your introduction properly. When you are delivering, you can mismatch the information, there is no problem. If you have learned one sequence, अगर आपने एक sequence में बोलना सीखा है, you can change the sequence also. Do not be like robots and crammed. मैंने तो यही सीखा है. No, सीख लिया. Now you should place your sentences according to your need and understanding. Okay? Because वो social क्लास सब्जेक्ट में होता था जब हमको पूरा आंसर सेम लिखना है. अब here there is no social, ना, there is society where we have to talk. So it is not mark giving introduction, it is introduction where you can introduce yourself to others, right? Now let's take an example. I never like to give my introduction because I feel like I have been giving my introduction for 13 years now. And I feel it really boring. So what I do, I keep changing my introduction. I change my hobbies. Right. And now, and nowadays I don't use my aim of in life because I think I have already achieved half of the aim. Then I speak something different. So every time if you feel that मैं थोड़ा सा एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ बार बार बोलती हूँ बार बार, no problem, you can change it also according to your choice. You are the creator of your own introduction. You are that person, you can change anytime. But remember, do not forget English to be told. Okay, बताती हूँ क्या करना है. So, hi everybody, this is Khushbu in front of you, and today I thought I should introduce myself in detail because I really did not yesterday. So, let me start with my full name. I am Khushbu Tomar, and to tell you about my hometown, I belong to Bhopal, but if you say about my originality, I belong to Gwalior, which is again a city in Madhya Pradesh. If I talk about my education qualification, so I am MA, B.Ed, and after some months, I'll be M.Ed also. I like studying and teaching. They are not my hobbies, but I like them in my profession. Speaking of my experience, so in English, you can say I have been teaching English for 13 years. English. And in my professional career, I have been teaching for 16 years now. That means I started my career from my home tuitions. Then I did training in my college. And later on, I established myself as a spoken English teacher. Then I got promoted to personality development also. Then I got promotion in uh, teaching students or training students for their soft skills. Soft skills means speaking skills in different manner, including personality development and all those things. That is my career summary about my family background. So my father, mother, and my four sisters. We are total five. My father is a journalist, and my mother is a homemaker. I am married, and my husband, he is in softwares. Basically, my husband is animator and editor. So my husband is also into movie making and cartoon animations and all those things. He works for a Pune-based company, but his work is work from home. And if I talk about my, so far I am working here in Hyderabad as an English coordinator, school coordinator, and HOD of English department. And I have been associated to this branch or this school for 3 years now. It is my third year going on. I have been here in Hyderabad for 3 years only. I got the job opportunity here and I came here. Along with that, I want to tell you about the my the kind of person I like most. So I am a person with great determination, and once I decide anything, if I determine anything, I always try to accomplish my goal. That is my quality. I try to do that, and I have very less friends. My childhood friends are there. That's all. I'm not very good at making friends because I can't go to shopping with them. I can't go to picnics with them. So I have very less friends, very few friends I have. My school friends are there. They are in Bhopal and they're in other cities actually. But here in Hyderabad, I have no friends. But I have some colleagues and regular, my colleagues are there. And I have no kids. We are still planning. And if I talk about my role model in my life, so I think my parents are the best people for that. And why? Because my parents have taught me so many things. Whatever I am today, I am the product of their upbringing. One more person whom I admire a lot, Sandeep sir, because I joined him when I was a kid and when I did not know anything. I did not know teaching very well. I was very raw material, but whatever I am today because of him, even I speak English because of him. I did not know English properly. This is all about my life. And I have only one thing to tell everybody, that if you work hard, you will get success. If you work hard, then you can do smart work, but you need to work hard first. That is what my secret mantra to get success in anything. That is all about me. Thank you. I have not used my introduction only, but I have used so many English sentences also. Let me tell you about. Speaking of this, talking about this. Have you heard those sentences? I did not give you information directly, but I used one English sentence and then I started. The same thing you will get in the introduction we have. So I am sharing these two files with you. I want tomorrow you should give your introduction freely. I have no limitations. Yesterday when you talk about you, it was introduction, but not in English. It was only introduction, right? I want you to give your introduction like a professional speaker, right? Choose the words, choose the word, put your information. Simple. You know about yourself now. You need to add your information into that English sentences. Simple. Okay. So you read that introduction first and then you prepare your introduction. Prepare in the sense, of course, you need to give a thought to it. थोड़ा सोचना तो पड़ेगा उस बारे में कि मुझे कैसे बोलना है. Then tomorrow I want you to come and give your very nice, natural, fluent introduction. जैसे नॉर्मल बोलते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे. Don't think that somebody is judging you, somebody will catch your mistake, somebody will guide you. That is all secondary. The first step is to come and speak in the flow. जो आता है, जो बोलना है, आता तो बहुत कुछ है, जो बोलना है. That is the first task for you. Okay? Right? So do it. And tomorrow we'll meet again. Fine? Achha, when you are speaking, of course, you should speak like a stylish speaker. Okay? Don't speak in your shell, or I don't know now, I'm just speaking first time. No, you're not speaking first time. You are only speaking in front of us first time. But because you know your name, you know your career, you know about your father, mother, parents, about your experience, about your likes, about your personality, you know now you need to deliver that freely. Don't think that I am going to judge you. No, not at all. I want you to go with the fluent flow English. Okay? And introduction सबसे simple होता है, इसीलिए उस English को शुरुआत करने का तरीका introduction है ना? आपको अपनी hobby नहीं सोचना. You know what is my hobby. But you need to speak all the things into English properly. Not that my name is, my hometown is. I want you to add. Let's start from my name. My name is this. And let me tell you about my hometown. Use that English. Okay? So do it. I'm sharing the file with you. See you tomorrow with this free introduction. Okay? Good night. Take care. See ya.
Good night, ma'am. And once again, belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Belated happy
Thank you
birthday.
so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Thank you.
Bye bye, ma'am. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.